Nestled at the foot of majestic mountains, alongside the serene Cherny Lom River, is a picturesque haven waiting to be embraced, a Bulgarian property that encapsulates the essence of tranquility and rural beauty. This expansive estate, spanning 1,000 square meters of fully regulated land, unveils a solid stone foundation, handmade brick walls, and a well-maintained roof, ensuring durability and timeless charm. The property stands proudly on a well-paved asphalt road, conveniently close to the heart of the village. Here, the rhythmic pulse of daily life is felt at the local bar, food store, library, bus stop, and medical office, a harmonious blend of convenience and idyllic seclusion. This distinguished residence, with its 4 bedrooms, spacious garage, and farm buildings, beckons with the promise of a versatile lifestyle. Divided into 3 distinct sections, the main building offers a unique opportunity for entrepreneurial spirits to create a bed and breakfast haven, or to accommodate multiple families simultaneously. Upstairs, 5 rooms and 2 corridors provide ample space, while downstairs unveils 2 rooms, a basement, and a bathroom awaiting a refreshing touch. Immerse yourself in the warmth of a ready-to-move-in home, adorned with the furniture showcased in the accompanying photos. Beyond the walls, a world of clean air and natural splendor awaits. Positioned on the edge of the Rusensky Lom River Preserve area, the property is a haven for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts. For those who yearn for a simpler life away from the clamor of bustling cities, this residence is a haven. The surrounding landscape offers breathtaking views and access to enchanting forests, rivers, and meadows, an ideal setting for leisurely horse rides or invigorating strolls in the open air, far from urban cacophony and industrial pollution. The fertile, freehold land presents an opportunity for self-sustainability, inviting you to cultivate crops, fruits, and vegetables, or even raise your own livestock. With access to main water, electricity, and internet, this property seamlessly combines rustic charm with modern amenities. Whether you seek a permanent escape or an investment in Bulgaria's thriving real estate market, this property caters to your desires. Flexible payment plans, including a PayMonthly option, ensure that this dream can become a reality. Don't miss this opportunity to own a piece of Bulgarian paradise. As you embark on this virtual Bulgaria home tour, we invite you to leave a comment, express your thoughts, and engage with us. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates, ensuring you stay connected with the latest in Bulgarian real estate. Your dream home may be just a click away.